So we have a test tomorrow, right? Have you all played Jeopardy before? No, some of you? Alright, well I'm gonna break you up into groups of 5, so I'm gonna number you off, then remember your number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we'll have 1s over here, 2s here, 3s right here, and 4s up here, and we'll have 5s back there. Should be one group of 4. It's all 5s over here. 4s. 5s are back there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5s. 3. You're here. Let's go by rows. Just kind of line up straight so I can see it. So I can see the groups. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Who are 4s over here? This is 3s. 1s, 2s, 3s, and alright, just grab a marker board and we'll figure this out here soon. Grab a marker board, a whiteboard, and a marker. Your desk. So you can move all your desks so you can get closer together because you're going to be talking and working out problems. So if you want to scooch desks, that'll be awesome. So raise your hand if you played this game before. Only a few of you. You played Jeopardy. Well, this is kind of backwards. I'm actually just going to give you a problem and you're going to give me the answer. But one group will go first. And if that group can't get the answer, we'll pass it on to the next group. And they can steal. And if they can't get it, the next team can steal. And there will be 5 categories you can choose from. So perimeter, area, variable on both sides, solving inequalities. And this is miscellaneous, but that soccer ball's covering it. So, and I want everyone to do the problems on the board. We'll go ahead and start with team 1. You can choose your category. You can discuss which one. The higher the points, the more you get. Perimeter for 200. Alright, find the perimeter of that triangle.
Make sure you have the labels so that you don't get it. They were messing up on the labels, Mr. Cobian, on their quiz, so let's see if they can get it.
Alright, looks like everyone's done. Choose a spokesperson to tell us what the answer is. So if anyone who wants to stand up and give us the answer and tell us, tell us how you got it. You added all the sides together. And your label is feet. Don't forget the label when it comes to perimeter. And that was group 1 for how much? 200? So team 1 has 200 points. Alright, group 2 gets to go next. Perimeter, 500 points. Alright, find the perimeter of this shape. You guys can be a little louder too. You don't have to whisper. Just make sure that the team next to you doesn't hear you. Team 2, you think you got it? What's the answer?
31 inches.
31 inches? That is correct. So, Team 2 has 500 points. Team 3, what would you like to choose? Area for 300. There you go. Find the area of that triangle. Team 3, you have your answer?
25 centimeters squared.
How'd you get that?
Base times height divided by 2.
Base times height divided by 2, or half base times height? So it's 25 centimeters squared. And that was for 300, right? Team 4, perimeter 400. Find the perimeter of that rectangle. Team 4, you have your answer? 26 inches. That is correct. Team 4 has 400 points. Team 5, what would you like to choose? We have 100 and 300 for perimeter left.
300 perimeter.
What was it?
300 perimeter.
300 perimeter? Find the perimeter of that triangle. Team 5, you think you got it?
Yeah.
What'd you get?
12 inches.
12 inches? Correct. So, Team 5 has 300 points. Back to Team 1. Variables on both sides for 400. Solve for P. We have a prize for first place winners. We got some candy if you win. Alright, Team 1, you think you have the answer? T equals 4. That is correct. Now it's 400. So Team 1 now has 600 points. T2,
Variables on both sides, 500.
variables on both sides, 500. Solve for C. Team 2, you think you have the answer?
C equals 6.
C equals 6. What was your first step in that problem?
Moving the -4 over to -7. So we will add it. Or you have to positive 7. Switch the -4 to a positive 4 across.
Yep. You add 4C to 7C to get 3C, and then you move the 12 over. Subtract 12 from both sides. And then you would get 11C equals 66. And you would divide by 11 to get 6. Team 2 is now at 1,000 points. Team 3, what would you like to choose?
Area for 500.
Area 500. Find the area of that triangle. Team 3, you have your answer?
35 inches.
35 inches squared. That's correct. The height in that picture was 5 inches and the base is 14 inches to get 35 inches squared. Team 4, what would you like to choose?
Solving inequalities 500.
Solving inequalities 500? Solve for that inequality and graph the inequality as well. I'm going to give you 15 seconds. All right, time's up. What's your answer? C is greater than or equal to 3. Can I see your graph? Pointing to the right. So they got C's greater than or equal to 3. And they had a graph that filled in at 3 and pointed to the right. So remember, less than or equal to, you fill in the circle, and if it's just less than or greater than, you keep an open circle. So team 4, 500 points. Team 5,
What is the last one?
it's miscellaneous, anything that
Or 500?
500 miscellaneous. Solve for Z. We'll give you about 30 more seconds. You have 10 seconds. All right, team 5. You get an answer? You not get an answer? Team 1, you have a chance to steal. Do you have an answer? No? Team 2? Nobody has an answer from Team 2 yet? Team 3, you get an answer? That is incorrect. He said 9 1/3. Team 4, no answer. 7 is not the answer. The answer is -9.
Bummer.
That was a little longer problem, but you just distribute, get the variables on the same side, constants on the same side, and you just divide to get -9. That was team 5, team 1, back to you. Area 400. Don't forget your label. 10 seconds. You have the answer. 10 inches squared. Everybody else have that? Yep. 10 inches squared. Team 1 is at 1,000 now tied with team 2. Team 2, what would you like to choose? Solving inequalities, 500. We did that one already. There's 400, 300, 200, and 100.
All the 500 gone?
All the 500s are gone.
400 solving inequalities.
400 solving inequalities. Now I want to see the graph as well. Alright, I'll give you 10 seconds.
Five is less than M.
5 is less than M.
Yes.
I did not get 5 is less than. Let's see. That is incorrect. Team 3, you have a chance to steal. And we'll explain why 5 is less than M. Just 5. M is greater than 5. That is incorrect. Team 4. Did I write that problem wrong? You add 12, you get 30. Yeah, yep, I did write that problem. So, team 3 got it right. You switched the sign when you shouldn't have switched the sign. You only switch the sign when you divide by what? A negative. So team 3 got the points for that. That should have been M is greater than 5. That was my mistake. That was how many points? 400? Yeah. Team 3 is now in the lead. 1,200 points. Team 4? This one's the last 400. Miscellaneous 400. Give you 30 seconds. This one should be pretty quick. For 15 seconds. Team 4, you have your answer? X equals 2. That's correct. I accidentally put a negative sign there, but they got 400 points. Team 4 is now in the lead with 1,300 points. Team 5, you have, there's no more 400s, 500s. You got 300s over here, then 200s and 100s out.
300 on variables on both sides.
300 variables on both sides. Get Z, I'll give you 1 minute for this one. So we have to get to our final Jeopardy question. You have about 25 seconds, Team 5. Ten seconds. You have an answer?
Yeah.
What'd you get? Z equals 4? That is correct. Team 5 got 300 points and now are at 600. Since we're running out of time here, we're going to go to our final Jeopardy question. And so with your team, on a different sheet of paper, just scratch a piece of paper, I want you to wager your points. So on this last question, if you get the question right, you'll double your points. But it depends on how much you're going to bet or wager. Give me a sheet here pretty quick. Give me some time to get this. Group 2, you have your points wagered. Group 3, points wagered. Group 5. Or you don't wager it. Maybe you win, we don't know. Alright, use your final Jeopardy question. Remember, you have to get this right to double your points. If not, you lose the points you wagered. I'm going to hand these sheets back so you can write your answer on them, and then hand them to me once you decided. once you have your answer, write it on that sheet. Once your group has agreed,
Rest of the group in there.
everyone agree with this answer? Yeah. Alright, time's up. I'm gonna take these. Gotta find out who the winner is. Alright. You guys ready for the answer? So you set it up with 1700 M plus 140. And then you set it less than or equal to. Oh, sorry. The answer should be. Dang it. Oh, I have the answer. Sorry. The answer is 20 cards. If you got 20 cards. Team 1, did you get it? Team 3. 2,400 points. We said 200 cards. They didn't put a team number on here. Team 2 got it right. But they're still behind team 3. Team 1. 17. Team 5, you got it right. Team 4 got it right. So I got team 2, team 4, and team 3 that got it right. So team 3 wins since they doubled all their points.
We doubled all our points.
Oh, team 4? Oh yeah, 26. Team 4 won. That was my mistake. So if you want to put your desk back, put your whiteboard back. And team 4 can slide down here.
Team 4, get your prize. Have a good day.
There was a black card you might be able to put down, and it was that's it. The only thing I did not want in my case. I could do that. We may play for a little bit.